When you live in Gilbert, you know just how intense the Arizona heat can be. From long summers to warm evenings that stretch across the year, keeping your home comfortable without driving up your energy bills can feel like a constant balancing act. One of the simplest but most effective upgrades homeowners can make is installing replacement doors designed for better insulation and everyday convenience. Modern doors do more than look great. They play a major role in reducing energy waste, improving indoor comfort, and creating a more efficient home. Sealing out the heat for lower energy bills. Older doors often allow cooled air to escape, especially if the frame is warped, the insulation has weakened, or the weather stripping is worn out. Even small gaps can cause major energy loss in the middle of an Arizona summer. Modern replacement doors are engineered to seal tightly, preventing hot outdoor air from leaking inside. The result? Your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to keep rooms balanced and comfortable. Many of today's replacement doors include insulated cores, multi-layer construction, and high-performing materials like fiberglass or steel. These features significantly reduce heat transfer, helping maintain a steady indoor temperature. For Gilbert homeowners, that translates to real savings on monthly utility bills, especially during peak cooling season. Better insulation for year-round comfort. Energy efficiency isn't just about lowering your electric bill. It's also about making your home feel consistently comfortable in every room. Poorly insulated or aging doors often contribute to hot spots and warm drafts, making certain areas feel uncomfortable. New replacement doors use advanced insulation that prevents outdoor heat from creeping indoors and keeps conditioned air where it belongs. This improved insulation works both ways. During cooler months, replacement doors help keep warm air inside, making your home cozier without constantly running the heater. Whether you're dealing with summer sun or rare chilly winter night, properly insulated doors help create a more enjoyable indoor environment year-round. UV protection without sacrificing natural light. In Gilbert, sunlight can be both a blessing and a challenge. Many homeowners love having bright, natural light streaming through their entryway, but older glass panels often allow harmful UV rays and heat to enter. Today's replacement doors with energy-efficient glass options solve this problem beautifully. Low emissivity glass reduces heat gain and blocks UV rays without darkening your home. This helps protect your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading while still allowing ample natural light to brighten your space. You get the look and feel you want without compromising on comfort or efficiency. Enhanced weather stripping for a better seal. Another major advantage of replacing old doors is improved weather stripping. Over time, weather stripping wears down, cracks, or separates from the frame, allowing air leaks that strain your HVAC system. New doors come equipped with high-quality, durable weather stripping that creates a tight, effective seal. This prevents drafts, reduces noise from outside, and contributes to better energy performance overall. Materials designed for Gilbert's climate. Not all doors are created equal, especially when it comes to Arizona's extreme weather. Modern fiberglass and steel doors are popular choices because they resist warping, cracking, and fading caused by intense sunlight and high temperatures. These materials maintain their shape over time, ensuring they continue to insulate and seal properly for years. Fiberglass doors are particularly favored for their ability to mimic the look of natural wood without the maintenance issues. They provide superb insulation, resist moisture, and hold up extremely well in hot, dry climates like Gilbert. Steel doors offer superior strength and durability while also providing excellent energy efficiency. A more comfortable, efficient home starts at the door. Replacing your home's entry, patio, or side doors might seem like a small upgrade, but the benefits are substantial. From improved insulation and reduced energy bills to enhanced comfort and better protection against Arizona's harsh climate, replacement doors make a noticeable difference. If you're looking to boost your home's efficiency, increase comfort, and enjoy a more durable, visually appealing door, upgrading is a smart and cost-effective choice.